Danielberry, hello. Dracula, hello. Hi, Dracula. We defeated the curse. Okay. The curse of what? The curse of being Dracula? The baby is crying outside. What happened? Always crying. Ako, tahanan mo ako. Hello, 6 million viewers. The baby is always crying there outside in my neighbor. Always crying, huh? Hello, 11 million. Shout out. Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Lalabanan ko lahat para sa'yo. Dito lang ako sa tabi mo. Di magbabago yun. Sa aking mata, sa'yo. Mukha akong bruha dito. Tangina. Oh my gosh. Ang dilim. Morning time or rush. Hi, Miss Beautiful. Really pretty the course. The course of what? For being a Dracula? Sadyang sinayang mo ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Ikaw ay maglaho. Ang tanging pangarap ko. Hello, Real Cut Meme fan. Shout out. Maria Luisa Indencio. Hello. Biscolana. Yes, thank you guys for your thumbs up. Wala nang pangamba itong aking puso. Bigla kang lumisan, nilimot mo ang sumpaan, at nabihag ka ng iba. Parok in USA, hello, shout out. Sinayang mo ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo, kung tuluyan na ikaw ay maglaho. Nahihilo ako dito sa dilim ko. Pangako na ikaw at ako magpakailanman. Ha? She also lost her boyfriend, Biko. Didn't listen to her. Ha? Ano daw? Who is lost? Boyfriend? I don't have boyfriend, Dracula. Na ikaw ay maglaho. Ang tanging pangarap ko. Hello, Monte Virgin Official. What are you kidding me, BM? Why you don't have moderator, Monte Virgin? What happened to your moderator? Why you don't have moderator? Okay, you have moderator now. Thank you. Ikaw at ako magpakailanman. Ikaw at ako magpakailanman. Well, you remove it after you rejected it. Oh. Are you sure? No, I'm not removing all. I'm just cleaning out my my channel because some viewers are not meant to be here in my LS. That's why. May English ang putik. Yes. I'm allergic to Tide. What is Tide? My gosh. You're allergic of what? Sadyang mapaglaro. I think you don't even understand. What? What do you mean? I don't understand. Do you have Downy? Tide? Yeah, I have Downy. I have Downy in my laundry. You're lashing out at me, BM. No, it's just I'm just cleaning my channel. You know, Monte Virgin. So now I will give you again moderator. A new moderator. It's good. Yeah? Yes. Why are you laughing? What's problem? Oh yeah. Dahil ko na. Hello guys out there. Laugh so hard in English. Huh? What do you mean by that? So I laugh so hard. Sure, Dean. Hello. Okay, if you wash my jacket, use Downy, not local detergent. Any laundry soap, just Downy. Okay. Ah, okay. You say so. So I will give you all guys what do you call this? Um, Laundry detergent and do you call that? Baroque? Hi baby. Nobody's baby here. I'm adult already. Junie. Junie, hoba, hoba. Hey, what do you mean that? Hey baby. Guys, please do thumbs up to this video. Hey guys, for like. Okay, Christopher, thank you. Shout out. Guys, may malakas ba yung ano ko? Music. Bigla sa'yo, aking mahal. Billiones Vlog, hello. Okay, I will give you moderator, Billiones. Thank you for coming. Shout out. Yeah. Can see the good. What good? The good version of me? Because it's blurred. No lights. Thank you. Welcome, Billiones. Thank you for your thumbs up. Guys, thank you for the thumbs up, ha? How do I look? Do I look like witch? Or what? Ikaw siyang pangarap ko at pangarap sa tuwina. Ikaw ang bigay kulay sa aking mundo. Ikaw ang siyang pinibig ko magpakailanman. Sa'yo ko iaalay ang wagas kong pag-ibig. Sa'yo ko you sing beautifully. Oh really? Thank you so much. 𝐁𝐢𝐜𝐜𝐨𝐚, hello. Oh aking mahal, tawag ka na, sana'y di na magwakas. Itong nararamdaman na lang kasi saya. Ikaw ang siyang minamahal, ang pangarap sa tuwina. Ikaw lang ay kulay sa aking mundo. Iloilo City watching. Oh yeah, thank you so much Mr. 𝐁𝐢𝐜𝐜𝐨𝐚. Guys, please, if you want a moderator, just request, okay? I'm sorry, you're an English teacher. Oh, what? It's an English teacher? Baka naman, napindot ko na naman to ng English. Oh, that's why. I'm sorry, guys. Automatic chat translation. So, that's why. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Old man clothes here. Me moderator, please. Okay, I will give you guys moderator. Guys, please ask a moderator if you want, ha. Because not all of you is a YouTuber. Okay, I will give you moderator. Joseph. Ang wagas kong pag-ibig. It's so dark. Barok Adventure. Sumakit na yung leg ko dito. Bye-bye guys. I will end so. Ouch. Sakit. Thanks. Bye. Time out by Joseph. Why? Ano sinabi niya? Oh, best friend mo. Ang dilim. Bye-bye guys. I have to go. Thank you for the support. See ya all. Bye.